Morrigan, the phantom queen of battle and fate. Feared and revered, the Morrigan looms over Celtic mythology as a goddess of war, fate, and prophecy. How much do you know about her? What happened when Cuchulainn rejected her? What did the Morrigan do before battles? The Morrigan is sometimes seen as She is often described as a goddess of Which form does she take in battle? The Morrigan is part of what trio? The Morrigan is sometimes seen washing. What did the Morrigan predict for Ireland? The Morrigan prophesied the fate of Which river is tied to the Morrigan? Which hero did she trick with cattle? What does the Morrigan do after battle? The Morrigan aided in what battle? Who did she offer her love to? The Morrigan is part of which group? What does the Morrigan's name mean? Which god is sometimes her consort? Fate and war are in the Morrigan's hands. Perhaps she foresaw your results before you even began. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more mythological stories and quizzes from Broken.